I was sent 2 different eye gels to test out, so I figured let's put one on one eye and one on the other eye. Now, noticeable differences right away. Packaging is different. This one you are going to get 1.7 fluid ounces, and this one is 0.68 fluid ounces. So difference in size, and then also a difference in how they come out. This one has that air pump style, and this one has more of that traditional pump style. Okay, so I just put a little bit right there on my finger, and we're going to go ahead and put it on the eye area. Has a nice soothing feel to it. And then usually once I put eye cream on, I do like to let it sit for a little bit. And then we have this one by Baebody, that air pump style. Really, one pump is enough for both eyes. So I'm just gonna use a little bit on one eye here. Also very soothing when you put it on. I love these gels because they instantly just make you feel more alert, and you can use them day or night, but really any time of the day if you just need a quick pick-me-up for your eye area. We're gonna let them absorb, and I'll be right back to show you the results. Okay, final results. I had to get up really close, look in a magnifying mirror, because I gotta say, these two are really, really comparable. Like, hard to even know which one is which if I would have not held them up on either side. I will say I feel like this one did a tiny better job of working on any darkness under my eyes, and this one seemed to do a pretty good job of firming. They're both amazing, and I think the biggest difference is just which style you like. Do you like that air pump style and more? So definitely great eye gels. You are going to love them.